Hey dropshippers! Today we see a new feature by Facebook Marketplace Pro, a feature that is really revolutionizing the world of dropshipping. The feature allows you, wherever you are, to copy a product from any supplier in the world to Facebook's marketplace. This feature is called International Recipe Builder. In a few words, the idea is that you are actually creating the recipe of the site, the online store of the same supplier, from which you want to copy a product. This recipe is then used by you to copy products just as you have done so far with Facebook Marketplace Pro, with a few vendors predefined by us. Basically, this feature allows you to work with any supplier in the world. Dropshipping is no longer limited to the US. Let's see how it works. I was looking for a jewelry store in New York. This can be any online store. The potential is millions of suppliers. This can be a store from anywhere in the world, whether it is in China, India, Brazil, France, Russia, etc. So this is the store from which I want to copy products. I'm going to a product page. And now I'm running International Recipe Builder. Here are some fields I need to fill with something called CSS Selector. I obtain the selector for each of these fields using a built-in tool in the Chrome browser. I right-click on the title and select Inspect. The code of the title is selected, and from its menu I copy the selector. And now I paste the selector in the title box of the product. That's it, and now for the selectors for the other fields. Price, product description, and a picture. It is possible to copy all the pictures of the product, but we will leave it that way for the time being. Note that the builder marks the selected product data in a red box. Now that we're done with the CSS selectors, we will try our recipe. It works. The results look good. The data was successfully retrieved. Now just save the recipe, and it's ready to use for real. Refresh the page. And now you can see the Facebook Marketplace Pro toolbar. All that is left is to press the Copy Product button, and from that point the way to paste the product into the marketplace is the same way you are already familiar with. With the Facebook Marketplace Pro Recipe Builder, you can take full advantage of the potential of the internet and dropship any product available online from any supplier, worldwide, in a matter of seconds.